Welcome to Spotlight on Chabot. My name is Catherine Pincus, and I'm an instructor in the Business and Technology Division. And today I have with me another instructor, Dmitry Kaliagin. Welcome, Dmitry.
Thank you, Catherine.
Today we have a special program. We are going to introduce you to a seminar that we give our students each year to help orient them to the business program both at Chabot College and the benefit and value of that program as they go forward with their education. Normally we have about 350 students who attend this program live, but we are very mindful that our evening students and our online students do not have an opportunity to get this information, and so we're hoping to provide that to you today, and then in addition ask you to get a pencil and a piece of paper so that you can write down a website where you can get additional information, and also there's an email address for questions that aren't covered on the website. So now what we will do is we will discuss our instructors and show you some photographs and describe what each of these instructors does. And Dmitry, I'd like to ask you to take charge of that.
Thank you, Catherine. We have 7 full-time faculty members in the business subdivision, and the first faculty member is Jazz Bengal. She teaches courses in accounting, financial accounting, managerial, and payroll accounting. The next faculty member is John Holloway, who also teaches accounting courses. The next faculty member is myself, Dmitry Kaliagin. I teach international business, management, and accounting courses. We also have Jan Novak on our team, who teaches business law and marketing. We have here with us Catherine Pincus, who teaches Introduction to Business, Business Math, and Green Business Practices classes. Another faculty member is Noli Ruiz, who teaches business law and investment courses. And we also have Wanda Wong, who primarily teaches financial and managerial accounting. Now, Catherine is going to talk about the agenda for our business education seminar.
Thank you, Dmitry. Yes, we're going to cover a number of things that will be very valuable information for you. First of all, we want to talk about the monetary value of a business education and the types of programs and degrees that are available. The business degree programs will be described along with what we call our certificate programs. In addition, we'll cover transfer opportunities and try to answer the general questions that we know you will have about the kind of coursework that's available to you. But first, I'd like to explain a little bit in the next slide about why the business education is such a value to you. So first, take a look at this slide, and you'll notice that on the top of the slide, what it says is, who would you hire? Take a look at the 2 resumes. You'll see the education of one individual covers a certificate of achievement received at Chabot College, and the other is the resume of someone who has completed a high school diploma. So let's take a look at the next slide, which shows the value of such an education over a period of time. If you will see at the beginning, year 1, the difference between the college graduate and a high school graduate, the salary differences start right from the first year. A high school graduate is expected to make $22,895, whereas a college graduate would make $40,478. You will notice that over the lifetime of the student, this continues to increase, and if you look carefully at the dark gray area, you will see that it increases even more for the college graduate. So the value of the education is extended over time. So let's take a look at the salaries on the next slide for community college graduates. Community college graduates who've earned a vocational degree or certificate saw their wages jump from $25,600, that was the last year before graduation, to $47,571 3 years after earning their degree. That is an increase of 86%. There's another factor that's extremely important about education, and that is job opportunities. For students with a high school diploma, they actually have been losing jobs. In fact, there have been 700,000 jobs lost for students who have had high school diplomas, and in students gaining bachelor's degrees, there has been a gain of 1.8 million jobs. What was the time period for that, Dimitri?
It was 3 years.
So over a 3-year time period, those with a bachelor's degree have really done much better in terms of a sustainable and continued education, continued employment based on their education. So now Dimitri will cover the technical aspects of our degree programs.
Thank you, Catherine. I'm actually going to talk about what Chabot has to offer for you. We have on the next slide 3 types of programs. We offer an Associate in Arts degree for transfer students. We have a number of Associate in Science degrees, and we also have certificates. Now, as Catherine mentioned, most of this information is also available on our website, www.chabotcollege.edu/BUS. On the next slide, you can see the structure of our AA degree. If you're planning to transfer to a 4-year institution, this is your choice. Every 2-year degree consists of major courses and general education courses. Our AA in Business parallels the lower division requirements for CSU East Bay. You can complete your first 2 years at Chabot, earn the 2-year degree, and then transfer to Cal State East Bay and finish your Bachelor's in Science and Business Administration there. Our AA degree consists of 32 to 34 units of major and includes classes in business, accounting, math, econ, economics, computer sciences, plus 21 units of general education classes. Now, there is a very useful website that a lot of counselors use for those students who want to transfer to schools other than CSU East Bay. And the address for the website is www.assist.org. Let me illustrate for you how to use the website. On the next slide, you can see the screen that you would see after typing the address of the website. Welcome to Assist. On this screen, you choose the college from which you're transferring, which is Chabot College. On the next screen, you choose the university that is your target school, for example, CSU East Bay. And on the following screen, you choose your major, Business Administration. Then you will be able to see all courses that are transferable from Chabot to CSU East Bay. You will see course-by-course articulation with Chabot course numbers as well as CSU East Bay numbers. On the next slide, you can see a number of business courses that could be taken towards general educational requirements for an Associate in Arts degree. The transfer opportunities on the next slide should be also discussed with your counselors. There are a lot of different 4-year colleges in California and outside, and we encourage you to see a counselor for more information. The second type of program that is described on the next slide is the Associate in Science degree. These degrees are designed for those who are not planning to transfer, but rather would like to enter the workforce or seek professional growth or trying to get promotion in their current jobs. Our Associate in Science degrees consist of 30 to 38 units of major plus 19 units of general education. The next slide lists 3 Associate in Science degrees offered by the Business Department, which include accounting, business with 3 areas of emphasis, and retail management. We also have an AA in real estate that works pretty much like an AS degree. On the next slide, you will see a list of courses in the Business Department that you could take to fulfill your general educational requirements for the Associate in Science degree. The third types of programs that I really enjoy are our certificates. They are designed to provide immediate skills for entry-level employees and to offer professional development and career growth. A beauty of the certificates is that they are very short, very flexible, usually could be completed in 2 semesters, and they do not require any general education courses. Most of our certificates consist of 5 to 7 classes or 18 to 30 units. On the next slide, you can see that our classes towards the certificates are offered in the morning, during daytime, online, as well as in the hybrid format. These classes, after you complete the certificate, could be applied towards a specific associate in science degree, so this is your first step toward achieving educational goals. We have a number of certificates listed on the next slide. We offer certificates in management, marketing, accounting technician, bookkeeping, retailing, retail management, real estate, and small business management. By the way, 2 of these certificates, certificate in management and marketing, can be completed online. On the next slide, you can see new certificates that we are developing right now. We never stop our research and trying to meet the needs of the employers in our local area, in our community. So effective fall 2009, we will start offering 3 additional certificates. One of them is business transfer, for those of you who plan to transfer. The next one is healthcare management certificate. This one will be offered only online. And the third one is a certificate in human resource management. And right now, Catherine will talk more about online classes that we offer, as well as 1-unit business courses.
Thank you, Dmitry. The online courses are offered throughout the year. And in fact, almost all of our business courses are available online. Online classes are extremely convenient, but one of the things students need to know is that they require self-discipline and management skills. We do offer introductory classes to help you learn how to use the computer and to get you familiar with Blackboard. But basically, if you're finding that you're having a hard time getting to the campus, we have a way to help you both earn your certificate or work for that degree that is so important for you. We offer a number of 1-unit courses. 1-unit courses are 6-week courses. They're offered online, and they really are focused on specific business skills. For example, developing a business plan, time management skills, writing your resume or your cover letter, interviewing, business presentations, skills for supervisors, careers in business ethics, careers in business and business ethics, negotiating skills, business email, and diversity in the workplace. So we have a large variety of programs to offer you. You can start with a full program, or you can work towards your bachelor's degree or a certificate. And Dmitry, would you like to show the folks the brochures that we have available for them? And then we'll go over one more time the actual the website address and the email address for contacting us for more information.
Yes, we have these wonderful, colorful brochures that are available in buildings 1500 and 1600. You can also email us and ask for a PDF file of any of these brochures. We have the brochure for the transfer degree that I talked about. We have these colorful brochures for all different certificates and 2-year degrees, associate in science degrees. We also have a separate brochure that gives you more information about studying business online, and it gives you some tips on how to become a successful online learner. And we have this brochure that describes the 1-unit business courses that Catherine talked about.
And one more time, Dmitry, for our students who've now gotten their pencils and papers, let's give them the web address one more time and the email address.
Our web address is www.chabotcollege.edu/bus. Our email address is learnbusiness@chabotcollege.edu. When you send us your email, we will receive it, and one of the faculty members, depending on the question and our area of expertise, will get back to you.
Thank you so much for attending this session with us. I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to seeing you either online or in person at Chabot College very soon. Thank you again.